What's up, everybody? Jimmy and Adam here today, and today we're coming to you live with the second commandment of success. And that commandment is investing in yourself. So let's take a second, take a look at Nissan Stadium, everybody, right? We watch football every single Sunday. For all my football fans out there, we're constantly betting on other teams, other players, but are we ever betting on ourselves?
For the average person, the answer is no. For example, if your home is worth $60,000 and you put $20,000 in it, your home is now worth $100,000, not $80,000. And that's the same with you when you invest in yourself.
We see these athletes every single day in real life, on TV. For example, Tom Brady and LeBron James, the two top guys in their sport. Tom Brady spends over $1 million every single year on his body. LeBron James is the same way. He spent over $1 million, maybe two, on his body. And what's very, very simple about these professional athletes that are already at the top, they have a ton of mentors and they have a ton of coaches. Why is that? They're always achieving and chasing something bigger than what they're already at because they're constantly hungry and chasing success. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett has once said, the best investment you can make is in yourself.
And if you want to achieve your dreams like Tom Brady, LeBron James, Michael Phelps, Conor McGregor, all these great people you know and love, you have to invest in yourself and you have to work every day to improve and grow.
Society has this completely backwards, everyone. They tell you to invest in education, right? College. And as soon as college is over, stop. Stop investing into yourself.
So if society had its way, from the day you graduate to the day you die, you will stay exactly where you are now.
You want to get out, but the answer is simple. You need to invest in yourself. If you think you could achieve this without investing in yourself, that's absolutely ludicrous.
I know it's scary. When we first invested $2,500 into ourselves, we were scared too. But the results were fucking life-changing. And since then, we've invested tens of thousands of dollars in our own growth and are planning on investing tens of thousands more. Because you know why? It changes your fucking life.
We've invested so much money into ourselves. Whenever we get that gut-wrenching, heart-racing, nervous feeling, we turn that into excitement because we know that this is going to change our lives.
So investing in yourself is the second verified commandment of success. Now I want you to subscribe below, turn on notifications to know when the third commandment of success is released. We'll see you there.